Here's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, power windows, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, touring suspension, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds handling surprisingly quick and sharp. This is not the wallowing live axle barge from the 1960s, yet the ride is well damped and does a good job of filtering noise, vibration, and harshness. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.